I'm Brenda. Welcome back to my quilt room. Well, we're ready to roll on to the block of the month for July, and I'm really happy with this one. It's a pattern I've never done before. I'm really anxious to show you how to do it. It's called the electric fan. Isn't that cute? I just thought it was really adorable. It's very easy, and we're going to get into it, and I'm going to show you how to make this today. If you can see, it's just four, they look like hourglass blocks, and it's just made of these 4 blocks. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's really easy. Now, we have PDF instructions with the video and pictures to make it easier for you, so you don't have to remember all of the sizes and dimensions. They're in the instructions for you. You need to make this block 3 different fabrics, and 2 of those need to be the same, and they'll be 7.5 inches. And then 2 others, you'll need 1 block of each at 7.5 inches. And that's what I have here. These are 2 of the colors, and then I pre-made the other 2. So we're going to go over to the sewing machine. We're going to stitch down. We drew a line diagonally, and then I put the stitching line on there dotted for you. We're going to stitch down each side 1/4 inch. This is going really quickly, this project. The year is just flying by. These blocks went together so quick, and I thought they're easy and it's really cute. And you could certainly do it with just 2 colors. You don't have to use 3. But for the fan shape in the middle to show up like it does, it was necessary to use the 3. And I like trying to investigate where these blocks come from. This block, from what I could find, was written by a lady named Clara Stone, and it was published in the Kansas City Star back in 1906. Okay, so we've stitched those, and now we are going to cut these 2 sections apart. And we will end up with 2 big half-square triangle units. And you'll press, I'm just going to finger press, but you'll press to the dark side. And then you will match these up with your other squares. And you want to fold them opposite. Put your 2 colors opposite each other, and then line them up along the seam line, and you'll feel it nest together. You want to pin it to keep it from moving, because what we're going to do, we're going to draw another diagonal line opposite down the center of these 2 from corner to corner. This went together so fast, so easy, and with the fabrics that I had, I thought it just turned out so pretty. And there's my little dotted stitching line. I have a different foot attachment on this sewing machine, and so if you watch me sew, you'll be thinking, she isn't sewing 1/4 inch, but I really am, because my needle position has been moved to use that foot. So we're going to stitch down these two sides. I love a project that gives me really good results and that's so quick and easy. And I love this little machine. I have done a review on this machine before. Make sure my seam is laying flat. Okay. And of course, then you'll turn the other one and do the same. Now we're gonna put our ruler down the center line, corner to corner, and we're gonna cut these apart. And there we go. And so now you have what they call a quarter square. That's 4 parts. A quarter square triangle unit. And that was so easy. Now I want to show you on the back where you cross over right here. If you will pop out these little connecting stitches, they should just there's usually just 2 or 3. And when you open this up and mash this down, you're going to see a little tiny 4-patch unit right there in the center. And then you can, when you press this out, just press all your seams in the direction of the 4-patch that they're going. And it makes the units, we'll do it again here with this one. I'm just taking my seam ripper and popping out those little connecting threads there. 3. And then open it up. If you give it a little tug, they just naturally want to lay down that way. Your block will be so nice and flat when you press it. Now when you put you decide which color you want to be your feature color. And I can't remember if I was going to use the green, but we'll line it up as if I was using the green. So look at your pattern, turn your block so that it's going to make a big pinwheel in the center. So then we need one going this way. And then when I sew these together and make 2 more blocks, I don't know that you need me to show you that, then you will line them up opposite, so you have your other 2 pinwheel sides, and your pinwheel in the middle will come out just like this. So you just have your 4 patches of these that you line up and sew your 4-patch together. Now right here in the middle, it's the same thing. You want to take those little 3 connecting threads out and pop that open, because the seams where they meet, it's really thick. And if you'll do that and mash that down and press it, it will make your block come out really flat. And so that's my first block. This will be my second block. So that's your block for July. And it goes together really quick. It's really cute. You could do so many things with this quarter square triangle. They look hard, but they're really not. I need to apologize. I left off a step to the block process for the electric fan, and I just wanted to tell you really quick that after you make your 4 units, a unit is the little hourglass block right there. Those do need to be squared up to 6.5 inches, and then you can lay them out and sew them together like a big 4-patch. So sorry about that I forgot to tell you that, but it is written down in the instructions that are given in the PDF below the video. So I hope you enjoy putting your fans together like I did. We'll see you later.